In today's digital world, cutting through the noise and truly connecting with your customers is crucial. That's where email marketing shines. It's a powerful tool for businesses of all shapes and sizes, offering an incredible return on investment. For every dollar you spend, you can expect a whopping $36 back. This video on email marketing strategy with AI tools will equip you with the knowledge and tools to take your email marketing to the next level. We will explore the power of AI and how it can streamline your workflow, personalize your approach, and ultimately drive results. By the end of this video, we will tell you the best AI tools for email marketing in 2024. So make sure to stay tuned till the end of this video.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
Also, if you are interested in advancing your career, consider Purdue University's postgraduate program in digital marketing. This comprehensive program offers certification as a digital marketer through live interactive learning. Dive deep into fundamental and advanced digital marketing strategies, utilizing Harvard Business publishing cases and hands-on participation in 20+ projects. Access the full spectrum of digital marketing tools with ChatGPT and AI tools, complemented by 35+ dedicated resources. The course link is in the description. Alright, so what is email marketing? Imagine you have a digital flyer for your store, but instead of handing it out on the street, you send it directly to people mailboxes. That's the idea behind email marketing. It's a way to connect with people who already like your stuff and keep them in the loop about what's going on. People sign up to receive your emails because they want the inside scoop, whether it's new product, special offers, or fun articles you share. You then create emails with all this cool information and send them out to everyone on your list. It's like a personal chat with all your potential customers at once. You can remind them about your awesome store, share updates, and maybe even nudge them to snag a discount to visit your website. So next time you see a sign up for store's email list, jump on it. It's a win-win. You stay connected and they might even treat you to a special deal. Alright, so now let's start with the first strategy, that is know your audience and grow your list. So the cornerstone of any successful email marketing strategy is a deep understanding of your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their interests and pain points? What kind of content would they find valuable? So by getting inside your ideal customer's head, you can tailor your emails to resonate with the specific needs and preferences. Once you have a clear picture of your audience, it's time to build your email list. Resist the temptation to buy pre-made list. These are often filled with inactive addresses and even land you in hot water with spam filters. Instead, focus on organic list growth by offering valuable incentives to entice people to sign up on your website or social media platforms. So here are some ideas to get you started. First is offer exclusive discounts or promotions. So who doesn't love a good deal? Provide sign-up incentives like special discounts, early access to sales, or free shipping to encourage people to join your list. The next is provide valuable content. People are more likely to sign up for an email list if they know they will receive something worthwhile. Offer downloadable ebooks, white papers, industry reports, or access the exclusive content in exchange for their email address. The next is run contests or giveaways. So everyone loves a chance to win. Host contests or giveaways with attractive prizes to incentivize sign-ups and boost brand awareness. Alright. So this was about knowing your audience and growing your list. Now coming to the next strategy, which is tailoring emails for maximum impact. So not everyone on your email list is the same. A 25-year-old interested in the latest fashion trends probably won't be interested in the same content as a 50-year-old looking for gardening tips. This is where segmentation comes in. Segmentation involves dividing your email list into smaller groups based on shared characteristics like demographics, interest, purchase, history, or website behavior. This allows you to send more targeted emails that are more relevant to each group, leading to higher engagement and conversions. For example, you might segment your list by first, demographics. So in demographics, there is age, gender, location. Then there is interest. So in interest, there is product preferences, browsing behavior, etc. Then there is purchase history. So past purchases, it includes spending habits, etc. Then website behavior. So it involves the pages visited and the content downloaded. So these are the things that you can take care of while tailoring your emails for the maximum impact. All right, now coming to the third strategy, which is crafting perfect message. So now that you have understand your audience and have segmented your list, it's time to craft the emails themselves. Here are some key elements to consider. First is subject lines. The subject line is your first impression, so make it count. Keep it short, clear, and engaging. Use strong verbs and highlight the email benefit to grab attention and encourage people to open it. Then there is personalization. A generic "Dear customer" just doesn't cut it anymore. People crave a personal touch. Use subscribers' names, reference their past purchases, or tailor the content based on their interest to make them feel valued. The next is content. So focus on providing valuable and informative content that addresses your audience needs. Keep it clear, concise, and easy to read. Use bullet points, images, and videos to break up the text and enhance readability. Then next is call to action or CTA. Don't leave your subscribers guessing. Tell them what you want them to do after reading your email. Whether it's visiting your website, making a purchase, downloading a resource, or subscribing to your blog. Make your CTA clear and easy to follow. Alright, so this was about crafting a perfect message. Now coming to the next strategy on our list, which is scheduling and mobile friendliness. So the timing and format of your emails can significantly impact their effectiveness. Consider these factors. Send time. So there is no point in sending an email at 3 a.m. Research your target audience, typically online behavior, and time zone to schedule emails for when they are most likely to be opened and engaged. Then mobile friendliness. Most people check their emails on their phones. Ensure your emails are responsive and display well on all devices, including smartphones, etc. Now things you should do is keep it concise. People are more likely to skim on mobile devices. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, and clear headings to break up the text. The next is optimize images. Large images can slow down loading times on mobile devices. Resize images and use ALT text to ensure they display correctly and provide the context even if they don't load fully. Then use clear and large CTA buttons, that is call to action buttons. Make sure your CTAs are easy to find and tap on mobile screen. So these are the things that you can keep in mind while scheduling. All right. Next best strategy is advanced strategies for email marketing success. So once you've mastered the fundamentals, consider exploring advanced tactics to further elevate your email marketing game. Here are a few ideas. First is automation. Automate email workflows to nurture leads, welcome new subscribers, or re-engage inactive ones. This saves time and allows you to deliver personalized messages at the right time in the customer journey. Then there is A/B testing. Test different versions of your subject line, content, or CTAs to see what resonates best with your audience. A/B testing allows you to optimize your emails for maximum impact. Then comes the re-engagement campaigns. Don't let inactive subscribers languish. Craft targeted campaigns to re-engage them with valuable content, exclusive offers, or simple "we miss you" message. Then comes the personalization beyond names. So use technology to personalize emails beyond just using a subscriber's name. Tailor content based on their purchase history, browsing behavior, or past interactions for a truly unique experience. So now that we have established the importance of personalization, let's explore how AI can be harnessed for even greater results. Alright, so now let's discuss some AI tools for email marketing strategies. So first we have is ConvertKit. So let me just open it over here. So this is ConvertKit. It's an AI-powered content and personalization tool. So ConvertKit understands the struggle of creating fresh and engaging content for email campaigns. While they don't offer a built-in AI writing assistant, ConvertKit integrates seamlessly with third-party AI tools like Jarvis and Writer. These AI assistants analyze your brand voice and target audience to suggest subject lines, greetings, and even body copy snippets. This can reduce the time you spend on content creation, help you overcome writer's block, and ultimately allow you to inject a more personalized touch into your emails. That is a key factor in capturing subscribers' attention. Alright, now that you have covered how ConvertKit aids in content creation, let's explore how AI can optimize your email send times. So the next AI tool we have is Seventh Sense. Alright, so this is Seventh Sense. So timing is everything, especially in email marketing. Seventh Sense takes the guesswork out of scheduling emails by using AI algorithms to analyze your historical data. This includes factors like past, open behavior, time zones, and overall engagement patterns for each subscriber. By leveraging this data, Seventh Sense predicts the optimal time for each individual to receive your emails, significantly increasing the chances they will open and read. This AI-powered approach ensures your emails land in inboxes when recipients are most likely to be receptive, maximizing the impact of your campaigns. After optimizing send times, the next step is to ensure your emails reach the right audience through effective segmentation. So this was about Seventh Sense. Now coming to the next tool, which is Bravo. Now let's open Bravo. Alright, so talking about Bravo. So it's an AI-powered segmentation and A/B testing tool. Segmentation is crucial for crafting targeted email campaign and resonate with different audience segments. Bravo utilizes AI to analyze vast amounts of customer data, including demographics, purchase history, and website behavior, and email engagement patterns. These insights help you create highly targeted segments based on shared characteristics. But segmentation is just one piece of puzzle. To further optimize your campaigns, Bravo's AI can automatically A/B test different subject lines, content variations, and call to actions. This data-driven approach allows you to see which version performs best for each segment, ensuring you deliver the most effective email experience for every subscriber. While segmentation ensures that the right message reaches the right audience, personalization can take your email campaigns to the next level. So for that, we have Unlayer, which is our next AI tool. So this is Unlayer. Personalization is the holy grail of email marketing. Unlayer's AI engine goes beyond simply inserting a subscriber's name in the greeting. It analyzes customers' data to personalize email content in a way that truly resonates with each individual. Imagine emails with product recommendations, special offers, or CTAs that dynamically adjust based on subscribers' unique preferences and past behavior. This level of personalization creates a sense of connection and relevancy, fostering deeper engagement and ultimately leading to increased conversions. Finally, to understand how your email campaigns are performing and where to make improvements, advanced analytics is the key. So let's talk about that kind of a tool. The name of that tool is Campaigner. Alright, so basic open and click-through rates are just one tip of the iceberg. When it comes to email marketing analytics, Campaigner takes email insights to the next level with AI-powered analytics that delve deeper into customers' behavior within the email itself. This AI analyzes which elements, images, text sections, CTAs receives the most attention and engagement from subscribers. These insights provide invaluable data that helps you refine your strategy for maximum impact. By understanding what resonates your audience, you can tailor future emails to deliver more engaging and effective experience. As you explore, integrating AI into your email marketing strategy can significantly enhance your campaigns, making them more personalized, timely, and effective. By using these AI-driven solutions, you can streamline your workflow, increase engagement, and ultimately drive better results for your business. Thank you for watching us. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.